Today we will discuss the new topic, the basis of accounting. Student, you know very well what the meaning of basis. Basis just like the set of rules used to prepare the profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement. Actually, these three documents are very important, and normally it is prepared in our organizations. Now, there are two bases of accounting. First is accrual basis and second is cash basis. Firstly, we will discuss the accrual basis along with advantage and disadvantage. Accrual basis, under this system, basically every expense, income, liability and assets are recorded in that period in which they occur, right? It follows matching and realization concept. It doesn't matter whether expenses are paid or not, or income received or not, but if they occurred in particular period, they must be recorded in the books, right? This is the accrual basis. For example, if you appointed employees for 12 months and you paid the salary for 8 months and 4 months salary still pending, so under the accrual basis method, we should note down complete 12 month salary, 4 month outstanding salary and 8 month cash salary, right? Now we will discuss the advantages. The first advantage, it follows the matching concept, because under this concept, under accrual basis, revenue recognized must be compared with the revenue actually received or not, right? Second, consistency in calculation of profit and loss of the different year. It helps to calculate the profit for the different years. It shows the true profit. Fourth, it make difference the capital and revenue item. That means we can differentiate between the expenses paid on assets or paid on purchase. Fifth, this is recognized Company Act 2013, right? Now we will discuss the disadvantage. This method is not simple method. So first disadvantage, it is not a simple method. Secondly, it uses only estimates and personal judgment, right? So our results become doubtful. It does not disclose cash profit. So student, this is the basis of accounting and accrual concept. Very soon we will meet again. Have a nice day. Thank you.